In this video, you'll learn how to make money on Binance by navigating its key features and utilizing trading strategies. This guide will provide you with a step-by-step process to effectively use the platform for trading cryptocurrencies. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface, which includes various options for trading and market analysis. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during this process. Next, locate the Markets tab on the navigation bar at the top of the page. Clicking on Markets will redirect you to a new screen displaying different cryptocurrency pairs and their market trends. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as it will be essential for your trading activities. After that, select the Overview option from the available categories. This section provides a summary of the market conditions, including price movements and trading volumes. Understanding this information can help you make informed decisions about your trades. Once this appears, click on the Price column to sort the cryptocurrencies by their current trading prices. This action will help you identify which assets are trending and may present potential trading opportunities. Look for significant price changes, as they often indicate market activity. Now, proceed to click on the Change column. This feature displays the percentage change in price over a specified time frame. Analyzing these changes will assist you in determining whether a cryptocurrency is gaining or losing value. Continue by selecting the 24H volume option to view the trading volume over the past 24 hours. High trading volume often signifies strong market interest, which can lead to profitable trading opportunities. Keep in mind that low volume can indicate less market activity. Next, click on Market Cap to see the total market capitalization of the cryptocurrencies listed. Market cap is an important metric that reflects the overall value of cryptocurrency and can influence your trading strategy. Be sure to consider this when making decisions. Then navigate to the Actions section. This area provides quick access to various trading options and features. Understanding the actions available will allow you to execute trades more efficiently. After that, click on Trading Data to access detailed analytics on price movements and trading patterns. This information can enhance your trading strategy by providing insights into market trends and potential entry or exit points. Once you've reviewed the trading data, select Spot to view the spot trading options. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies in real time based on current market prices. Familiarize yourself with this section to improve your trading skills. Now, click on the graph to analyze price movements visually. Studying the graph can help you identify trends and patterns that may influence your trading decisions. It is crucial to spend time understanding these charts when planning your trades. Next, click on the Amount field to specify how much cryptocurrency you wish to trade. Enter the amount in Bitcoin or the currency you are focusing on. Ensure that you are comfortable with the amount you are investing, as trading involves risks. Then, type in the desired amount you wish to buy or sell. Double check your entry to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect amounts can lead to unintended trades. Be aware of your trading limits and available balance. After confirming the amount, click on Market Sell if you are looking to sell your assets. This option allows you to sell your cryptocurrency at the current market price. Ensure that you are satisfied with the market conditions before executing the sell order. Alternatively, if you wish to buy, click on Market Buy. This action will purchase the specified amount of cryptocurrency at the market price. Again, verify your decision, as trading can lead to both profits and losses depending on market fluctuations. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.